Welcome to the channel Encyclopedia Katanika. In today's video I'm gonna try to pick this old Titan padlock. This is second series from the late 50s, mid to late 50s, judging by the logo. If you see this logo, those early versions, when the body is almost full till the legs, till the legs, full torso, this lock is from, when you see such logo, this lock is from mid to late 50s. If you see just something like that, not full torso, but only half of it, it's the lock from the 60s or late 60s. And if you see huge logo, much bigger than this one, something like that with bad arrangement of the letters, this lock is from late 40s. So you can determine which how old is the lock judging by the logo only. When you have Titan stamped on it, it's from the 70s and so on. So this is from mid to late 50s. Here is the key. Pretty good bitting. Those old locks didn't have super radical bittings, but this one isn't bad at all. It was in use in some period of time for sure, because it says 4 on it. Probably fourth lock or something like that. It works okay. And when you look inside, the locking pole is integrated with the core. All old versions had integrated a locking pole. Newer versions had and have still separated locking pole made out of steel, which is much better than the brass one. This is as war reparation from Germany, from Han brand, and Han was later renamed to Sikon. So this lock is exact copy of Sikon, but the license was given from the Germany as a war reparation. So let's see what it takes to pick it open. I'm not sure if I could pick it open, because those locks are so hard for me, all Titans, no matter the old, new ones. Practically all Titans are pretty hard for me to pick for some reason. I don't know why, but it is what it is. Let's try it. Let's try with soft tension. I always begin with rakes. Let's increase the tension a bit. Because of oil inside and gunk, probably it won't be easy to pick, but all Titans are pretty hard for me to pick because of those deep spools and maybe because of my tools. I acquired a bit better lock picking tools that I own, but I saved them for locks when I found them without the key. Maybe they will be in use in future videos, but it's much easier for me to make new tool if I break one than to buy more of them. Because from Temu, lockpicks are nothing special. They're not bad, but nothing special. For now we don't have anything. Let's see. I usually have a problem with feedback in all cases when we are speaking of Titan padlocks. Don't know why. Many YouTube lock pickers picked those with pretty much without a problem, but in my case, it's high security lock. I feel constant pin returning. Let's try with a bit different approach. Maybe the lock will open, but for now nothing. For now we don't have much success. Let's try with improvised Mac tickler. We don't have anything for now. Let's try with my tools. Snap breaker. I want to gain full set at least. But for now nothing. Let's try different raker. Let's try harder, heavier tension. Maybe it wants to be heavier. I don't hear any rattling inside, so like all pins are back together, back in one place, in resting place. Let's try with something different. Constant pin returning. I don't know what's wrong with this lock. Wide open keyway, everything is perfect for excellent picking, for success, but in my case, Titans don't give up easily. Old ones, new ones, even worn out ones. I don't know why. I'm doing something wrong for sure, but I don't know what. I feel every pin, but when I touch the pin, some other return almost immediately. We don't have anything. We're still trying to gain a full set and nothing happens. Literally nothing. Let's try with common snapper. Couple of pins are set, but when I touch something else, they fall back almost immediately. So I don't know what to do. I was at the moment close to the success, but nothing. All the pins fell back immediately, without any hesitation, even with this old padlock.